Hello friends, my name is Dr. Bharath Chandra. The videos are meant for the benefit of society. Today's topic, stock market is fake. Invested 1 lakh but 30,000 loss. As you know, we conduct many live question answer sessions. This was one of the questions. That question we will take a little later. The first question in consideration for an answer is, please give information about Trident shares. Trident Financials, March 2018, 4,559 crores is a sales, net profit 266 crores. March 2019, 5249 versus 372 crores. March 2020, 4,728 versus 340. March 2021, 4,531 crores versus 304 crores. And March 2022, 6,998 crores is a sales and net profit is 834 crores. Coming to market cap, Trident rupees 19,568 crores, small to mid cap company, sector textiles, current price rupees 38, 52 weeks high 70.9, 52 weeks low 16.2. 1 year returns 131%, 3 year returns 83%, 5 year returns 37%, 10 year returns 44%. So our comments about your question, it is a relatively small company, fundamentals are not great but not very bad also. It is only suitable for investors who are ready to take additional risk, and many new investors seem to be fond of this stock since it is low price and more quantity can be bought. The next question, how to come out from debts? Since many people are asking, we are answering this question. Our comments, first one, if we have borrowed money at high interest, first pay off the loans as much as possible. Second, save as much money as possible until you can repay loans. Number three, you can postpone investments until the high interest personal loans are paid. Many people have asked a question, waiting to join your training class, sir. Please let us know when your next batch will start. So right now, no offline classes, only online classes are available. You need to attend our free webinar before registering for the 3 months online course. Note down the details and email us as per the next slide. For example, we are conducting a stock market workshop in Kannada, online workshop regarding how to create profits. For that, we are organizing a free webinar on 26 June, Sunday, 10:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. And to get the link for this online webinar, you got to send an email, successdigest@gmail.com, name, mobile number, and in the subject column, put Kannada webinar as the topic. Once you attend the webinar and you find that the workshop is worth paying and joining, then you take the decision. As I said earlier, we are answering all the questions which are coming in the chat box. And the next question is, sir, my age is 25 years. Every month I want to save 5,000 rupees and invest in mutual fund. Please tell me which mutual fund is good for long term, and please help the Kannadigas. Please listen to our comments very carefully. Mutual funds usually give on an average around 12% per annum. It is meant for people who don't know anything about stock markets and are not ready to learn. If you can learn about stock markets, you can expect even 15 to 20% per annum on your average portfolio when invested for a period of 10 years or more. Hence, we don't suggest mutual funds because we are little honest about the work we are doing. And if I suggest mutual funds, the difference between mutual fund and the stock market investing is a very big amount at the end of 10 to 15 years. The next question is a one that we selected as the title for this particular video. Please see the question. Fake sir, I invested 1 lakh, not even 1 rupee I got, and now in 30,000 loss. When investors don't know how to approach stock markets, they blame stock markets for the loss. If you are investing for long term, there is always a chance of temporary loss when markets fall, and that is called SCP investments. It is not an achievement to invest in stock markets since everybody has money to invest now. You should learn how to invest properly so that you know what to expect. Next question. Sir, I invested rupees 2.20 lakhs in stock markets from June 2021 but portfolio in loss more than 20%. Why market is falling, sir? We have made multiple videos on this in the last 2 months. Please watch all our videos, especially regarding bear market and market fall. Also, we are not sure whether you have invested for long term or short term. If you have invested in fundamentally strong stocks for long term, temporary loss is quite natural. And finally, your question itself is giving us a doubt that you have not learned sufficiently about stock markets and hence have invested with overconfidence. In our previous video titled ಇವರಿಗೆ ನಿವೃತ್ತಿಗೆ 6 ಕೋಟಿ ಬೇಕಂತೆ. For these people, for retirement, they are expecting 6 crores. We had asked a question why we had not named a list of stocks and had mentioned only A, B, C, D, etc. And many of you have given perfect answers. Congratulations. And Ashok says, sir, in case you will mention the stock names, people buy these stocks, don't check for the fundamental analysis. Perfectly said. Veena Vishwanath, because people will buy those stocks without doing fundamental analysis, sir. Another reason is fluctuation in the stock prices. Thank you, sir. Very good answer. Third one, Mohan Kumar, because people will buy those stocks blindly. All should buy stocks after doing fundamental analysis. If you tell stock name also, it is valid for 3 months. I am more than happy that people have been following our videos. Perfect answers. If you give such kind of answers, I'll be happy. I'll be able to sleep very well in the night. Next question. Hello sir, I have not taken workshop. I am planning to invest now. I am very new to stock markets. Shall I proceed with SEP method? You can do SEP if you feel confident of selecting good stocks and know how to manage a portfolio. If not, learn more through YouTube videos and our paid online class and then invest. You will need to select 8 to 10 fundamentally strong stocks. Invest with a time horizon of at least 5 years, if not more. If you are new to stock markets, first priority is to learn and not to be in a hurry to invest blindly. Here is a question from a 16-year-old kid. 16-year-old kid want to do SCP. Possible? How? A minor cannot directly transact in shares since they cannot enter into any contract until 18 years. Parents can invest some money every month on their behalf. However, we suggest parents to not to encourage too much involvement in stock markets until their basic education since they will get distracted and not show interest in studies once they get the greed of money. The next comment or question is also very interesting. Sir, paid online course, where do I get? My age is 22 years. Even in my dream, I am seeing you. I am so much hungry to learn as much as possible and have already started to invest since 1.5 years before. But right now, I want to learn and start investing. Please help, sir. I appreciate people writing these kinds of comments and questions because our workshops are going on almost on a monthly basis. As you can see, people often put in the comment box that I am from May batch, I am from April batch, etc. etc. My suggestion, please take the workshop seriously, join it at the earliest possible time, invest with full knowledge and go by SCP. You'll amass a huge amount of money maybe in the next 10, 15, 20 years depending on your age, and that is only 22 years. Friends, if you are not the member of Stock Market Academy channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send this video to large number of your friends, and video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.